Before, I was getting up 4 or 5 times a night to go to the bathroom. So it was interrupting my sleep. I was tired all the time. And during the day, it was, I still had issues because I'm on the strongest medication and it still is not working. It's only working maybe 50%, 60%. And then he introduced me to this, and it started right away. It just lessened. It gives me better control over when I do have a contraction. I can handle it better. It seems like it is still improving. Even in the past few weeks, some nights I have not had to get up at all. And it's awesome. And you know, I would sit in this chair and I would read a book. And I love to sit and read. I always have a book with me. And so it was just very enjoyable. Because usually when you come into a gyno's office, okay, take your clothes off. You know, I sat here in my blue jeans and just read a book. And it's the easiest thing I've ever done here.